My name is Satoshi OTa. I came to India for postdoctoral fellow as an ICCR scholarship.
A lot of opportunities you have in different parts of the world.
Mm.
Why did you choose Delhi? Like, are you curious of the Indian culture, or what inspired you to choose that?
Most of the Western people who study about Japan because of they watched animation and stuff.
Okay.
Western culture's influence on non-Western culture, such as McDonald's came to the Philippines or Coca-Cola came to maybe Sri Lanka. And Taiwan and Korea is a place where Japan's influence was most. So then I chose Taiwan. So that is the reason.
Okay.
So that was not the population that time.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing that.
Getting a worldwide issue that it is prolonging the youthfulness. And I saw many people who go to further study just because they have nothing else to do.
Yes. The food culture. Is it like, do you have some similarity? How are you adapting to our food culture?
I would say here close to nature.
Oh, okay.
So I just had a snail just now, and we call it natto. Natto is fermented bean.
Oh, okay.
So fermented soybean, and we have this culture. Okay. So this is a similarity of Northeastern Japan.
Anyone is wanted to go to Japan, either to study or either to work. So what would you recommend?
Okay.
Or anything that they can do so that they have more chances of getting there.
Inside in Japan. So everybody knows each other, and then probably everybody poke their noses to enter someone's business. You have to be strong, and otherwise you get lost in big city. Here in this community, you have a good advantage compared to Japan, which is language ability. Young people study hard, and then you can take a chance and see broader world.